Hi guys, this is David from Xceleration, the Excel learning channel. In this video, I'm going to show you a very cool trick, how you can use comments in Excel to display pictures. In our example, we are working with the NFL teams, 32 of them. And for each, as you place your cursor over the name, you can see the logo. And that's pretty cool. To explain how it works, I will go over two methods. The first one is manual, but that would be a very good way to explain the concept. And the second way is automatic with a macro to make it much faster. So let's start with the manual way. Starting with the very first team, the Buffalo Bills. Clicking on the cell, making a right click, and choosing Insert Comment. By default, the username is part of the comments, and I don't want it, so I'm going to remove it. Pressing on the border of the comment and making a right click, I'm going to choose Format Comment. In the new menu, I'm going to go to Colors and Lines. For the color, under Fill, I will choose Fill Effects. And on the new menu, going to the last tab, Picture, because that's what I want to include. Select Picture from a file. And on my computer, I have a folder with the 32 logos. The one that I want to capture first is the one for the Buffalo Bills. I'm going to log the picture aspect ratio, clicking on OK. And because the logo is a little big, I want to adjust the size to 50% of its actual size. Clicking on OK, and we're done. Alright, so we've done one team. We have 31 to go. So is there a faster way to do them all at once? Yes, with a macro. Let me demonstrate. Selecting the 32 teams all at once. And on the Developer tab to access the macros, and that's the name of the macro that I created, and I called it Add Picture in Comment. Pressing Run, and we're done. And now we have a logo for each team. Let's take a look at the macro. It's actually pretty easy, with only two parameters that you will need to adjust. The path to the folder that contains the images that you want to insert, possibly the extension, if it's a GIF or if it's a JPEG or a PNG. And the second thing you may want to modify is the size. In my case, remember, I wanted to reduce the size to only 50% of the actual size. So that's why I have the value 0.5. Alright guys, that's it for today. Don't forget to like the video, post your comments if you have any, and please subscribe to the channel for more cool videos. Thanks for watching.